The Department of Education has 5 field study centres across the state.
We provide activities that focus on both historical, present and emerging technologies and food and fibre production.
The Marine Discovery Centre is perfectly located to allow students to explore the marine environment through a wide range of hands-on learning activities.
We offer programs with a really strong sustainability linkage, particularly around climate change, responsible consumption, biodiversity and sustainable living.
They experience all the activities in bush settings. We love the way that they can interact, the way that they can feel a sense of belonging in their own environment.
We believe in today's modern world with lots of screen time, you can just look at learning outside the classroom more broadly, and we think it's a fantastic space for that.
To get more information, please head to the department's website and search for Field Study Centres.